Tonight we are trying the viral onion chips, and the base of this recipe is shredded Parmesan cheese, and you can absolutely buy yours pre-shredded. I just have to be difficult sometimes. Next I'm going to line a baking sheet with some parchment paper and evenly spread out about a cup of that Parmesan cheese. Then I used a mandolin to slice an onion very, very thin, and we're going to spread those slices out evenly across the Parmesan cheese. Spray it with some avocado oil and then season it how you like. I used a garlic and herb seasoning and some all-purpose seasoning. Then I popped them in the oven at 400 for about 20 minutes. While those were cooking, I decided to make some homemade comeback sauce, and as luck would have it, we were out of mayonnaise, which is like the main ingredient of comeback sauce, so I had to make some. And for the comeback sauce, I used half a cup of mayonnaise, half a cup of sour cream, a tablespoon of ketchup, a tablespoon of horseradish, a teaspoon of garlic powder, some salt, some cayenne, some Worcestershire sauce. I probably added about 2 to 3 teaspoons of black pepper and a little bit of hot sauce. Once the onions turned golden brown and the cheese was crunchy, I pulled them out of the oven and cut them into squares.
Bacon.
That was really good.